Thank you, Laura. Thank you too. So this is what happened. The pastel and sky blues are all, it's already out. So I started coloring this way and it went out. And I still went through with it. And it gave me some of the best textures that I've done so far. Look at that. Like I ended up loving it so much. And this was all a mistake because the color ran out as I went up. And what happened is I just ended up, going through with it. And it gave me one of these jaggedy textures, which looks like the sun is beaming into the water. It ended up being so good. Oh, thank you for the gifts, guys. You are showering me with love. Oh my gosh, Nicole. Thank you, thank you. This is too much for my fast life. So this entire book has 40 images like this, all sea turtles. So by the time I finish going through this, I will have learned how to use alcohol markers and I'll have 40 images colored in. And hopefully I'll have 40 original drawings in there as well. I've skipped one already, like this. 40 original drawings and 40 colorings. Thank you. Thank you, Roxy. How do I decide what to draw? So it depends on a few things. If I use, say, these colors in here for today, let me give you an example. So you see this orange? If I use colors on a picture before, if I can open this cardstock. So you see this. If I use these colors in coloring, then I have to look for an image that will be best with these same colors. So what I do is I color in with, say here we have a purplish kind of violet and yellow and this. And what I do is I look for the same colors in the next drawing. So I try to find a drawing that will feature those colors. It's not easy, but I try to come up with that. I try to come up with an image that will use the colors that I used in the previous page so I can get more practice with those same colors. And it has ended up working out a little bit. So you see this with the oranges and these pinks, and then I go into the oranges here. So that's just it. All right, Laura, thank you. Thank you so much, guys. And unfortunately, I'm calling it quits now. But hopefully, I'll be able to go live every once in a while. And hopefully, I can keep up. But the major goal here is to learn how to use these alcohol markers. And I got the chisel ones. I got the 360 chisel fine point, and I got the 46 days with a brush and fine. I sure will, Rory. Thank you. Thank you, Laura. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for all the love that you've shown me. And I will definitely share next time I'm on. And hope to see you guys around. Thank you, Laura. Bye-bye for now, guys. Bye.